How to use Emochi AI.
Love anime, gaming, or roleplay? Emochi AI lets you create and chat with expressive AI characters, and here's how to use it step by step. So, first and foremost, go ahead and open up emoji.com and then go ahead and create an account on the platform. So, you'd basically find a sign in button at the bottom left of your screen. So, in here, you have a couple of options for creating an account. You can create an account with your Google account, Twitter account, Discord account, and email account. So simply select what applies for you.
Once you've created an account on the platform, you'd be signed in into your account.
So from here, go ahead and select the character who you want to chat with. So you can browse the library of A characters or build your own customized appearance, personality traits, and backstory to make your character unique. So select a character and begin chatting. Emoji supports casual talk, role play, and storytelling. You can ask questions, create scenarios, or just hang out. Emoji adds personality with expressive avatars and visual memories. Some versions even support voice chat for immersive role play. Join public chats to interact with shared characters or share your own creations with friends and the emoji community. Emoji AI is perfect if you want creative roleplay and expressive chats. Use it responsibly and enjoy building your own AI characters, and that's it. And that is how you can use Emoji AI.